Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, guess what I'm doing? I am going to bleach my hair. I know I look a mess. Oh my god, I would never go outside looking like this, y'all. So my hair right now is dirty. It's like real life dirty. I don't even know if y'all can see them flakes and stuff on the camera. But we gonna do this together because I ain't bleached or colored my hair in so long. I need to show you what you need. These two combs, 50 volume cream developer. You have to use that with this. Okay. I have the brush, but I don't have a bowl, so I gotta use one of my mama containers. Some scrunchies also. And I don't have no gloves. So we're gonna be using a Dollar General bag. I'm kind of scared, but let's get it, let's go. Fingers and the fucking bleach. This is about to be a disaster. So you guys, you like it? Let me know in the comment section. Do you like it? I know I have to cut my ends, but let me give you a little spin. A little spin. So I'm about to do my hair, and when I finish my hair, I'm gonna come back and show you guys how it came out.
Look, my bitch is all bad, my niggas all real. I ride in dick in some big tall hills, big fat checks, big large bills. Run out, flip like 10 car wheels. Cold ass bitch, I give raw chills. 10 different looks and my looks so kill. I kiss him in the mouth, I feel all grills. Heat in the car, that smells on wheels. Woo! I was born to flex, yes. Diamonds on my neck. I like boarding jets, I like more than sex. But nothing in this world that I like more than checks. Money. All I really wanna see is the money. I don't really need a D, I need the money. All a bad bitch need is the money. I got bands in the coop, bustin' out the roof. I got bands in the coop. Touch me, I'll shoot.